Welcome everyone. Before we start learning about SAP BTP, let's understand a very important term, that is technology platform. So full form of BTP is business technology platform. Now before starting, we must know what exactly is a technology platform. Then we will start with our SAP BTP training, or you can say tutorial or the course. Okay. So what is a technology platform? A technology platform brings all the technologies together in one place. Things like servers, operating system, programming languages, and database. Instead of every team using different system, everyone works on the same platform. So that is the challenge over the period of times, or you can say last many years. ERP implementations, or you can say any kind of like software development, we were facing that there were different types of applications that like need to connect in a different mechanism. Now what will happen if we provide a common platform through which everybody can communicate, and that is what the definition of a technology platform. Now this makes work faster and easier because you don't have to start from scratch each time you build something new. Developers can reuse this tools, share the data, and deploy new apps quickly because the platform is same, common, and whatever you create today, you can reuse it in future. Not only you, across the platform, whomever is using that platform, they also can use that particular application or like API or something reusable if it is available to use for the public. Now what is the advantage for that? It also ensures stability and security. Since everyone is built on one standard system, it's very easier to maintain and protect your own application. Now let's look at an example. Android is a technology platform for the mobile apps. Okay, so this is a very common thing that we use every day in our mobile phone. So many Android apps we are using. Okay. Similarly, AWS is a platform that provides cloud services. Similarly, SAP BTP is an enterprise platform that helps business to run their applications efficiently. So the main idea is very simple. A technology platform allows you to build once and reuse everywhere, saving time, cost, effort, while keeping everything consistent. Okay, so that's a very short video about what is a technology platform. I tried to explain it, and if you have any questions, please comment below. If you find this video useful, feel free to like and share the video. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.